पर्यटक टॅक्सीकारांक दाबोळे विमानतळाचेर 5 मिनटां परस मातसो जरी वेळ जालो जाल्यार तांकां रोखडेच चार्ज करतात. ताका लागून पर्यटक टॅक्सीकारांच्या बोल्सांक फटको बसता. विमानतळावेलो हो वेळ वाडोवन दिवचो अशी मागणी पर्यटक टॅक्सीकारांनी आपणाक केल्या अशें मायकलान सांगलें. हो प्रश्न सरकारान जाता तितले बेगीन सुटावो करचो अशी मागणी मायकल लोबोन ह्या वेळार केली.
Taxi Federation has told me, आमचे North Goa and South Goa, they had collectively come yesterday to tell me that when they enter the airport, the time is ticket is given with time, so they cannot cross five minutes. If they cross 5 minutes, 30 seconds also, then there is a complication over there that they have to pay 500 rupees. Otherwise, that nominal whatever is the 50. So that time should be slightly extra because ट्युरिस्टाचे जेन्ना एक 500 जण पॅसेंजर असतात त्यांचे लगेजूय खूप असतात अँड दे शूड इमिडिएटली गेट द स्पेस टू पार्क अँड अनलोड द लगेज. दे हॅव टू गेट डाऊन फ्रॉम द टॅक्सी अँड द टॅक्सी स्टार्ट्स अँड कम्स आउट ऑफ द गेट. द एअरपोर्ट बीइंग व्हेरी बिग अँड द distance from the main gate when you enter up to the airport main gate and to exit out, how much time it takes when there is traffic around. So in the future our youth who are in the taxi business should not pass on this 500 rupees to the customer. So all these are genuine teething problem in the beginning which needs to be addressed, which needs to be rectified after addressing.